Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening settings because that's where system time lives. Tap General, then Date and Time. This is the control center for clock behavior. Turn off Set automatically so you can make manual changes. You need that off to edit time zone or time. Once done, the time field and time zone become editable. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active if you intend to revert to automatic later, since the device uses network data to determine accurate time. Next, decide whether you change the time zone or set the clock manually. You can do both, but one at a time is simpler. Tap Time Zone to search and select a city. That aligns calendar events and alarms correctly. If you prefer manual time, tap the time field and adjust hours and minutes. Use the 24-hour toggle if you want military style. Once done, double-check AM versus PM to avoid missed appointments. And remember alarms, follow the device clock. Finish by exiting settings, changes apply right away, and test with the clock app. Set a quick alarm to verify. If the time reverts, toggle Set automatically off again and repeat the manual edit. Sometimes network updates override immediate changes. If the clock still misbehaves, restart your iPad to clear transient system issues and make sure location services are allowed for time zone updates. If none of that works, check for an iOS update because bugs can affect time synchronization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.